641, you can get your car.
Echo 641, you reroute me.
Declaring cover off for a former major accident on the freeway 2, 3001 Bravo southbound. 40 for that major accident. It's going to be automated. It's by major vehicle collision and location. Call back when you've got voicemail. Yeah, supervisor, what's the time on this? The service on the counter on foot, traffic and electronic, mechanic mail, lasting wearing black shirt, black pants, work security at location, states, suspect armed with gun and shot at him before he refused to answer any more questions.
Central, we got two individuals transported about from another vehicle closing. I just need a status update on them for traffic.
Is there one man that can go to Canada Central for an update for Echo 340 on two individuals?
Echo 622, I'm heading up there. Yeah, you can wait down there by the little ram. I know along that road is clear. I can't see very good imageries along the road line. But I don't see anybody hanging out outside of it. If it's up within the trees, as far as temperature goes.
It's going to be on Volvo's local.
Hey, Walker, Brandon, put a tanker down there. Yeah.
Yeah, 17, KW in progress, 9702 Bronx Bank, Taqueria Orale. Victim is calling in and saying he's being abducted by a static male at gunpoint. Static male in the black Lincoln sedan.